One speaker greets another. Mr Bercow, who keeps MPs in check at Westminster, a guest of the presiding officer of the National Assembly for Wales. The reason for his visit? Well, the new Speaker of the House of Commons wanted to take a look at what we in Wales are doing to encourage more people to take part in the democratic process.
We were responding from a positive invitation from Mr Speaker Bercow to come and see how our devolved assembly operated, and he was particularly interested in those innovative things we've done, the education service that we have involving young people visiting the assembly and our people visiting communities all over Wales to explain how the system works.
During his visit, Speaker Bercow took a look at the Assembly's e-petition system. Unlike Westminster, the Assembly has a specific cross-party committee of Assembly members to look at each petition it receives and decides whether it can be advanced through the legislative process.
As a means of engagement with the electorate and giving people a chance to register issues of concern to them and to ensure that those go through the parliamentary and executive system, I think that it's certainly something we ought to study. I've learned things about the way in which you have tackled and are continuing to tackle in the Welsh Assembly the expenses challenge. So you've got a system developing which is prudent and equitable and transparent.
The Speaker also heard about the agreed changes to the system of financial support for Assembly members, as recommended by the independent panel, which was commissioned by the National Assembly for Wales. For further details of their report, visit our website.